Yes, today we will learn about this YDL nice gate barrier. This nice gate barrier. Just wiring, programming, and all we will learn. As you can see, we have given the power supply over there, and this is the transformer, and the 230 volt AC transformer. It's converted into 24 volt AC transformer, and now this connector is for limit switch, and this is for the gate barrier power supply, motor power supply. As you can see there, there is 6 numbers. I have given the jumper on the 6 to 10 or 6 to 11, 6 to 12, because 6 to 10 is photo, this one, and this one is stop button. For a stop is NC, for that we have to make the jumper on it, and the 11 is photo cell, and second one also is photo cells. We have given the jumper. If we have one push buttons, then we have to connect from 6 to 13 single station push button. We have to connect to 6 to 13, and if we have the close button will be connected in 14, and open button will be connected 15. Once this all connections has been done, then we have to check. As you can see, there is 3 LEDs glowing. 3 LED means stop LED, ALT, and PH and PH2. 3 LED must be on, and this OK LED, as you can see there, green OK LED is blinking. It's taking 1 second pause and blinking, means this is in normal conditions. Now what we have to do, once we have to make the mechanical installations. I am not making the mechanical installations just because I am testing, and just after mechanical installations, and we have to give the power supply. It is still, and now I need to press this program button. We have to press for 3 seconds. First button, OK button, 1 2 3. Green LED blinking means I have to release this hand. Then you will see the gate will open, and again it will close. Again it will. Now the program has been done. Now for the remote programming, what we have to do, here there is one button, R. Just need to press this R button. LED blinking. At the same time, need to press this button. Now still it is searching for device. I have given the command, means it has been memorized. Now it will goes off. The red LED goes off. Now its program has been done, as you can see. These are the macro switches for the limit. If we have this push button, single station push button, I will connect it. I will show you. As you can see, I have connected this power supply, this single station push button on it, and from terminal number 6 and terminal number 13. 13 is for SBS, step by step. And now once we will press this button, the gate will move. Now if you have the 3 station push button means you have stop command also, open command also, and close command also. For that, what we have to do, the common we have to connect in number 6, and stop NC command will be connected in 10 number, and close command will be connected in 14 number, and open command will be connected in 15 number. This all connections will be for the push button. If you have photo cell we have to take 24 volt power supply for photo cell, and after the 24 volt power supply, 3 number and 4 number you will have the 24 volt power supply for this photo cell, and this one is NO, 6 number is NO, and NC anyone you can take, 11 number or 12 number, anyone you can take for the photo cell. That's all. Thank you.